Coming off the laps, you see Stetson, Sly, Winslow, Humboldt, and Johnson. His way and see what he can do about the front machines. Down into turn 3 off of turn number 4 still. Which include the number 20 of Chris Humboldt and Tony Fowler's number 5 machine. They're still racing it around the track. Number 37. Donnie Holston's number 1 and Eric Folks in the 2 car. Round out your field right now as your leader comes off a turn. Starting them out the charge on Mark Slot. Down into turn number 3 they head. Humboldt tried the inside. Now